Whoa. All right, so this is a wild one. Yeah, an actual wild one. It's another Willy Do special. I told you, he's still doing work behind the scenes. It's something I've never seen before. You guys know I've done a ton of speaker videos, Bluetooth speakers. The wide world, the whole variety, it's all happened here on the channel, but none of them have been like this one in front of me. Now, I know you're checking the packaging. You see Origin of Species, hi-fi wireless speaker. Apparently that's a placeholder. There's a dent in the box. This box is not final, I've been told by the maker of this, which this thing is currently on Kickstarter. You know how it goes with Kickstarter products, but this is actually called the Cranio X, and it's a limited special edition. Without further ado, maybe the craziest Bluetooth speaker I've ever featured here on Unbox Therapy. Big box. You can tell already this is not normal. Nothing normal here. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you guys appreciate this? Is like some type of Doom Eternal thing going on. It looks like it may have got busted a little bit in transport. It was packed so well though. It did. This little back piece got busted in transport. They wanted to apparently get this to me quickly, not final packaging, and apparently it really needs some final packaging, but nonetheless, the electronic components are likely functioning. It's a sightline speaker that shoots out of the mouth, and it's all, I mean, it's kind of like some piece of like a movie prop or something. It gives you that feeling when you look at it. Some sort of a sci-fi, science fiction type of thing. This packaging, totally not final. Look, there's like pieces of it. That's too bad. But anyway, you get the idea. You grasp the concept. It's kind of sculpture. Even though this one looks like it got beat up a little bit, I still think it's worth looking at. Crazy to look at it. It's too crazy to ignore. Power brick. This thing sits on the table like this. You put it next to your computer, your gaming rig, something like this. Maybe you put two of them. Is there anything else in here? Let's check. Modern wireless speakers are all about clean and minimalist industrial design. Cranio challenges this trend of machine perfection with a design that fuses organic with material. Apparently, this skull is a replica of a lynx skull, not an actual lynx skull. Alan grew up with series such as Blade Runner, Ghost in the Shell, and games like Cyberpunk and Shadowrun. So, okay, that's the inspiration. You can tell why I'm excited about it. I mean, just check it out, guys. It's too ridiculous. Listen, Cranio, you gotta send me another one that's not busted, please, because I gotta put this on display. People are gonna think I beat it up. It happened in a transport, I promise. Anyway, since it is a piece of tech, not just a sculpture, we do have to plug it in. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Weathered looking, just very intense. All right, little startup sound going there. Oh, there's some lights going on. I don't know if you guys can, there's a tiny little light on the inside of the mouth there. In a dark environment, that's gonna probably create like a red ambience. Okay, wait for some drums. All right. A little more volume. Wait a minute, that's the max. Wait a minute, that's the max volume? That's a max volume? It looks so mean. And then that's the max. I mean, it looks like it's gotta be shouting at you. That can't be the max volume. You're wondering where the volume is for sure. I mean, a thing that weighs this much, a thing that looks this mean. I mean, I appreciate the effort massively. It's obviously a very cool thing. It's the most unusual Bluetooth speaker I've ever looked at, but it's still a speaker. I feel like you gotta have that. It can't just be, it doesn't sound the way it feels when you pick it up. So I feel like some attention has to maybe get tuned up in there. I know this is a super early version, so maybe this feedback can actually influence the product, or maybe these components were meant to be changed or will be changed for the final version. But as it stands, it's not. You know what? I feel like I gotta give you a comparison real quick. All right, I'm gonna bring back a classic. 1 second. Now this is obviously not a fair comparison. That's the DVLA, the classic. I mean, you know the video. You saw the video before. That's the DVLA. Crazy expensive. It's a totally different league. I'm telling you, man. Switch back, just so you can tell the difference, okay? I realize this is obviously not a fair comparison. This is the classic. This thing's like $3,000 or whatever it is, and it's a totally different beast altogether. If you saw the original video, you already know that. I saw something this mean, and I kind of wanted to be surprised. I didn't need it to sound like that thing, but just a little bit closer to feel justified to have it out. Because you know what's gonna happen with this thing. People are gonna come over and they're gonna see it, and they're gonna say, man, that looks so mean, that looks so cool. And you're gonna say, yeah, and it's a speaker. And they're gonna be surprised and amazed, and they're gonna say, well, let me hear it, because it's gonna draw so much attention. At which point, you play it, and it's a bit underwhelming. So my advice to the Cranio team, since you are a Kickstarter, speak to you directly, and you're still kind of tweaking this thing, we got to put a little more juice inside of it. If you have to hollow it out, if you have to simplify the design a little bit, something that looks this elaborate and mean, it needs a sound to go with it. It doesn't have to beat the DVLA at $3,000. It has to be at least in the same neighborhood as a typical portable Bluetooth speaker. Totally different take on the Bluetooth speaker concept. Now, I don't know if your decor is capable of housing something like this. It might scare your children. Your wife might not be such a fan of it, but if you got the right kind of setup, maybe in a gaming setup or something, then this could be cool. It's got some, I don't know, I'm having some nostalgic vibes to the old stuff from back in the day, the games I used to play and things like that. So it's cool that they're doing it. A little bit of advice from me. It's unfortunate the packaging, it busted. So there it is. The weirdest, for sure, the most unusual Bluetooth speaker I've ever looked at.